Do you believe in these Malaysian employment law myths? Myth number 1. Non-competition clauses are enforceable. The truth is, you cannot stop an employee from working with a competitor after they resign. This is stated in Section 28 of the Contracts Act. You can only prohibit them from using your trade secrets. Myth number 2. Termination by notice is sufficient. The truth is, termination must be with just cause and excuse, such as genuine redundancy due to retrenchment or downsizing, serious misconduct, or recurring poor performance. Myth number 3. Employers can transfer employees anywhere and for any reason, as long as they include the relevant clause in the contract. The truth is, these transfers must be done in good faith and not victimize an employee. Additionally, it cannot involve a material change or affect the employee's terms and conditions of employment. Are you struggling with any of these issues? As HR, are you unsure about the employer rights under the law? Are you having a lack of knowledge on the drafting of employment contracts? Do you have insufficient knowledge on conducting a professional domestic inquiry with effective guidelines? As line manager, do you have a lack of knowledge to manage staff performance, health incapacity, and misconducts? Do you fail to collect the evidence? Do you often have to deal with attendance issues? As IR, do you have a poor understanding on the proper procedures of termination of employment? Do you have a lack of understanding on the right industrial court procedures and practices? Employers and managers alike often have to deal with poor employee performance, misconduct, medical incapacity, and frustration of contracts. It is important for an organization to carefully consider their approach to termination and retrenchment, as a wrongful dismissal could lead to employee grievances, investigations, and thousands of ringgits of compensation. Our upcoming Lawful Rights as an Employer course will show you an in-depth understanding of the employment legislation and compliance requirements in Malaysia on dealing with employment dismissal, domestic inquiry, retrenchment, termination, and industrial court process. Contact Ms. Jane at 6082-265-818 to know more about our world-class trainer.